Welcome to our channel. If you want to enable low data mode on YouTube Studio to reduce bandwidth usage while managing your channel, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to studio.youtube.com. Sign in with your YouTube account credentials to access YouTube Studio. Step 2. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen to access your account menu. Step 3. Look for Settings in the drop-down menu and click on it to open the Settings panel. Step 4. In the Settings menu, locate the Playback and Performance section. This is where data-related settings are typically found. Step 5. Look for data usage or quality settings. YouTube Studio may not have a dedicated low data mode, but you can adjust video quality settings to reduce data consumption. Step 6. When previewing videos in YouTube Studio, manually lower the playback quality by clicking on the gear icon in the video player and selecting a lower resolution like 360p or 480p. Step 7. Disable autoplay for video previews in the dashboard to prevent unnecessary data usage when browsing through your video list. Step 8. Consider using browser extensions or device settings to limit video quality across all platforms if YouTube Studio doesn't provide sufficient built-in options. Step 9. Monitor your data usage regularly and adjust your workflow to minimize unnecessary video previews and high-quality playback when working on your channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.